Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kale Brock here. This episode of Show X, I'm going to talk to you about the hottest, scariest apple cider vinegar drink you've ever tried. So I've been working with someone called Tonic for quite a long time. Here, let me get that in focus. Well, let me tell you a story. One time when I had come home from traveling, I was like super jet lagged. I actually drank like a whole bottle of this, which is really hard. Today I've got, I feel like a wayward college student or something. So I've got 3 like plastic cups set up. I'm moving house at the moment, so I've like got nothing left, so hence the plastic. Sorry, the environmentalists. I've also got this awesome little Tonic flask, which I'm going to take on the plane tomorrow. And I wanted to let you know how you can get some of this. But first, I'm going to try, so you know what's in the actual ingredients here. This is like it's a very spicy, sort of intense apple cider vinegar drink. So it's not just vinegary, it's also got like chilies in there, turmeric, garlic, horseradish, ginger, carrot, juniper berries, black. So the guys are down in Torquay, and they also supply people like Kelly Slater, who really digs this stuff, and a couple of other pro surfers. So obviously me trying to like get on that bandwagon and somehow become affiliated with Kelly. I'm also a massive fan and have been a fan for a really long time. So I'm really excited about this. It's almost like a medicinal sort of drink, so you don't want to have too much. So today I'm going to break that rule and have too much. And you guys are going to actually see the results. The challenge. If I can do 3 of these shots in 6 seconds, that's 2 seconds per shot, what should the reward be? How good is that for a reward? Okay, ready, set, go. Oh. Oh. 3 in a row is actually too tough, but you should subscribe to my YouTube channel anyway. So essentially it tastes like apple cider vinegar that's a little bit sweet but also really spicy, so you only want to have like a tiny shot. Having this much is obviously too much, but that's totally fine. It actually does taste really nice, and it's really invigorating to have. I would suggest having this before you need to actually fire. So to get some of this with a 10% discount, head along to site on your screen and enter the discount code broccoli10. That's my unique discount code, so please enter that when you order some. It's super nice. I encourage you to try it, and also, I don't know if they're available yet, but try and grab one of these, because I'm going to sneak this on the plane. But I mean, I may get picked up for like, what is that, like contraband? Anyway, thank you so much for tuning into this very short, very quick episode of Show X. I am off to Europe, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with me whilst I'm traveling around the world. Love you guys. I'll see you very soon. I'm gonna just try and... Sipping is easy. I should have. Sip.